Mastering plant-based cooking, simple swaps for meat, dairy, and eggs. Welcome to the ultimate guide to transforming your favorite meals into delicious, plant-based delights. Whether you're vegan, health-conscious, or just curious, this lesson will hand you the keys to cooking and baking without meat, dairy, or eggs, without losing out on flavor or nutrition. The shift to plant-based eating isn't just a trend, it's a step toward a healthier you and a better world. Plant-based cooking reduces your environmental footprint, promotes animal welfare, and supports a balanced diet. By mastering these swaps, you'll open yourself to endless culinary possibilities. Plant-based options aren't about giving up, they're about gaining variety. From creamy desserts to hearty dinners, you'll discover how to create meals that your taste buds, body, and the planet will love. Ready to unlock the secrets of plant-based success? Let's dive in. Meat often provides the centerpiece of dishes, but there's no shortage of plant-based alternatives to take its place. For hearty meals, rely on tofu, tempeh, or seitan. These protein-rich options offer incredible versatility, adapting to bold seasons and marinades while packing the nutrients you need. Looking for something easy? Try lentils and black beans. They're great in burritos, soups, and stews. For that meaty texture, explore jackfruit or mushrooms. These substitutes perfectly mimic shredded meats or chunky bites, making everything from pulled pork sandwiches to stir-fry a breeze to prepare. Dairy is a staple in many kitchens, but you won't miss it with these luscious alternatives. For milk, reach for almond, soy, or oat milk. They're perfect in coffee, sauces, or cereal dishes. They also bake beautifully, making them perfect for all your sweet and savory recipes. Need something creamy? Coconut cream, cashew cream, or dairy-free yogurt recreate the satisfying richness of traditional dairy without compromise. Cheese lovers don't have to miss out either. Nut-based cheeses and plant-based shreds now taste and melt just like the real deal. The options are endless. Eggs often bind or add moisture to recipes, but plant-based substitutes can work wonders. For baked goods, flaxseed eggs or chia seeds mixed with water act as the perfect egg replacement. They'll bind your cakes, cookies, and muffins while offering their own subtle, nutty flavors. In savory cooking, tofu is a hero egg substitute for dishes like scrambles or quiches. Aquafaba, the liquid from canned chickpeas, acts as an excellent egg white alternative for meringues, mousses, and even mayonnaise. No matter the recipe, there's always an egg-free option to explore. Adapting recipes can seem daunting at first, but it's all about experimentation and practice. Focus on understanding how each substitute works. Practice swapping one ingredient at a time to perfect your results. With patience, you'll develop confidence in reimagining your favorite recipes. Flavor and texture are the keys to plant-based success. Don't hesitate to season generously and use basic techniques like marination or roasting to bring out the best in your chosen substitutes. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. Your journey to plant-based cooking will be uniquely yours. Now that you've learned how to replace meat, dairy, and eggs with plant-based alternatives, it's time to bring these tools into your kitchen. Experiment, adapt, and have fun discovering new flavors and textures that work for you. Each swap you try is a step closer to versatile plant-based mastery. If this lesson inspires you, give plant-based cooking a shot. Share your creations, explore new recipes, and challenge yourself to swap an ingredient in a favorite meal today. The path to delicious plant-based living starts with just one simple step. So start cooking and embrace the change.